So here is the best Temu promo code to use right now. Click on my link down in the description to get your free $100 coupon bundle and use my code ACR697477 to get additional 30% discount. So once you're in the Temu website, scroll through the page and select any items that you want. You can select any deals, for example, clearance deals. After that, let's go through the products and select whichever one that you want. And as you can see here, there are a lot of good products and they all already have a discounted price. So I will go with this product right here. I'll click on Add to Cart and then select the variant that I want. And here, you can display the price and the discount that is already offered. So select your variant and click on Add to Cart. And since it's a phone case, I need to select the model of the phone as well. After that, click on Add to Cart and go to Checkout. Some orders may have an order minimum. So to fill it up, I will add an additional item. So the same way, select your product and check out the price, then select Add to Cart. Now, just continue to check out. And here on the checkout page, right below Order Summary, type in the code ACR697477 and click on Apply. After that, just select Submit Order and your order will be confirmed.